Want to give your WordPress website a stunning futuristic look? Today, I'll show you how to add a draggable 3D folded slider, a slider effect that looks like flipping pages of a folded screen in real 3D. It's smooth, interactive, and super easy to manage from your WordPress dashboard. Let's get started. First, download and install the plugin called WP3D Folded Slider. This plugin comes with everything you need: backend image settings, shortcode support. You can find the plugin link in the video description. After installing and activating, you'll see a new menu in your WordPress dashboard called 3D Slider. Here, you can upload images using the WordPress media library. Each image also has a title field, so you can display text along with your slider. You can easily reorder the images by dragging and dropping rows. And if you don't need an image, just click Remove. Once you've added your images, scroll down to configure your slider options. For the best results, I suggest adding at least 5 images and using landscape orientation. In the slider options section, you can customize how your 3D slider looks. Slider height, set it in pixels or viewport height, like 400px or 60vh. Fold background color. This changes the background color of the folded parts. Wrapper background color controls the slider's container background. Title font size. Adjust how big your text titles appear on the slider. Once you're done, click Save Changes. To display the slider on any page or post, simply use the shortcode WP_3D_slider. I'm using Elementor, so I'll add the slider inside the Elementor page builder. I'll choose a full width container, drop in the shortcode widget, paste the shortcode, and then save the changes. As you drag through the slider, the images fold and unfold like a real paper accordion with 3D depth. This creates an amazing interactive effect that grabs attention instantly, perfect for portfolios, showcases, or even landing pages. Let's add a few more images and experiment with different background and fold colors. That's all for today. This add-on is super simple, just images and titles. But the final look is truly amazing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. You'll find the plugin download link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.